Take me to the place, to that secret place where I can be with you, Lord, and you can make me like you. Wrap me in your arms, 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 wrap me in your arms. Take me to the place